Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into derivation. 9 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Derivation, which means the formation of a word from another word or from a root in the same or another language. Number 1. Ancestry, which means one's family or ethnic descent. Ancestry. For example, his Irish ancestry. Number 2. Provenance, which means the place of origin or earliest known history of something. Provenance. For example, the police were suspicious about the provenance of the paintings. Number 3. Descent, which means the origin or background of a person in terms of family or nationality. Descent. For example, the settlers were of Cornish descent. Number 4. Origin, which means the point or place where something begins, arises, or is derived. Origin. For example, the origins of life and the physical universe. Number 5. Origination, which means the beginning or creation of something. Origination. For example, there are a number of theories on the origination of the name. Number 6. Source, which means a place, person, or thing from which something originates or can be obtained. Source. For example, the source of the rumor. Number 7. Extraction, which means the ethnic origin of someone's family. Extraction. For example, a man of Irish extraction. Number 8. Etymology, which means the origin of a word and the historical development of its meaning. Etymology. For example, plural noun, etymologies. Number 9. Genealogy, which means a line of descent traced continuously from an ancestor. Genealogy. For example, a lengthy genealogy of the kings of France. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.